Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll quickly test those APIs we created. Okay, couple of things you need to make sure that you are pointing to the right DB. That is the first thing. Um, Second thing is the application properties you are trying to basically uh, grab here should be defined in your application.properties file. So service.category we didn't have before. That is why it was giving me, me an error. So I have put this service.category here in this file. Okay. And we have put the right DB and we are good to go. Other things remain the same. And also you can put, that function in camel case. That is your column name can come, with a capital letter. You know, then also it will identify that we are trying to filter by that column name, and obviously it would require you to provide you the value for that column. Okay, and based on that it will try to filter you the products or whatever items you are finding on. Okay, so basically these are the two endpoints we have created. Let's quickly test these endpoints out. What I have done is I am running this service, and through Postman we'll check these endpoints real quick. So let's first check the products point. So we are getting the products. So 5 products I put in the database. Let me also show you what are the products I put. I have basically put TVs and laptops. Category is laptop and TV. Brand, these are the brands I have put, and status inactive and active. Some small description I gave for all these uh, records, and it is giving us an array of objects, uh, which is what we wanted. So the first API is working fine. Let's quickly check the other API as well. Let me duplicate this to keep it for future reference. Okay, we will name it or label it get products by category. And let's copy the endpoint products by category. Let's test it out with laptop first. We are providing the category in the URL itself and grabbing that entry, okay, as a get call. Let's see if it gives us the records. So it is giving us one, two, three entries, and we had 3 entries for laptop. So it is giving us the right results. So our second API is also working, which is great. Let's quickly check for the other category also, that is TV. Yes, it is giving us both the TVs which we had in our database. This is also working fine. So we have created these APIs, created the entire product service, pointing to its own database, its own tables. And we have also tested these couple of APIs from Postman, and these APIs are working. Next video, we'll see how we can call these APIs or get the data from product service into another service. Okay. So until next time, happy learning. Thank you.